Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the person so the dress swap looks natural. Open Canva and set your canvas size. 1080 x 1350 is common for portraits. Upload the photo and immediately duplicate the layer so you have a backup. Next, use background remover for a fast cut. If edges are imperfect, switch to the erase and restore tools and refine hair and sleeves. Once the subject is isolated, make sure the selection is clean and save a copy before moving on to add clothing elements. Now you bring in the new dress and fit it to the body. Search elements for dress PNGs or upload a transparent dress photo, then place it on a layer above the subject. Use position, scale, rotate, and flip to align seams with shoulders and waist. Crop excess and use the crop tool to trim edges. To match photo lighting, tweak color, brightness, and contrast, and apply a subtle blur mask or lower layer opacity so the fabric sits believably on the body. Finish by refining edges and adding depth so the dress looks real. Zoom in and use a soft erase brush to remove tiny overlaps and fix stray transparency. Restore any lost detail with the Restore brush. Create realistic shadows by placing dark blurred shapes under hems and reduce opacity. Add subtle highlight layers where light hits. Once satisfied, export as PNG or JPG at full quality. If the dress looks off, make sure layer order and masks are correct. Re-edit the mask or adjust shadow placement to resolve it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.